Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you why you should go for midbrain activation. So yesterday I came across a post by Divya Mittal where she just remarked that हमें ये तो सिखाया जाता है कि periodic table कैसे याद की जाती है, but no one tells us how to cope up with heartbreak or how to cope up with loneliness. So जो इस तरह की जो भी problems है like a person earning 1 lakh a month but still feeling lonely or having depression or feeling as if he's poor, all these problems are basically related because you're not aware of yourself and you're not aware of what life is and how what are there certain principles of life as well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you like a program like midbrain activation, which is also called as third eye activation program. The energy is particularly raised to the sixth chakra. Okay, the sixth chakra is the third eye chakra, which is also called the Agya chakra. When we just live with energy at the lower levels, you may always get in feelings of like loneliness because you are just affected by the energy what world is throwing towards you. But once you raise your energy to sixth chakra, that is Agya chakra, you give Agya to everyone. Your energy becomes so prominent that you're not picking up the energy that an advertisement is showing you, an energy that जो some if someone is just pushing energy towards you and forcing you to obey something which you don't feel like suppose कि अगर आप मोटे हो तो कि नहीं आपको पतला ही होना है and then you have a lot of stress and everything. Remaining fit is another aspect, but just I want to tell you, once your third eye is active, you have that wisdom where and how you have to react to the energy of world. But somehow our education system does not incorporate any program of this type. So even the midbrain activation program just has a business model. So what I saw that many of the institutes, they just proliferated at a very fast rate. और अभी जो है आप देखेंगे कि बहुत कम इंस्टीट्यूट बचे हैं जो इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स कंडक्ट करवाते हैं, क्योंकि ये प्रोग्राम एक अलग तरह का इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रोग्राम है. Not only it's a super sensory brain development program where child can see with blindfolded eyes, but it's also energy related program. और जब आप एनर्जी रेस करते हैं तो किसकी एनर्जी रेस करते हैं? आप अपनी एनर्जी रेस करते हैं, और आप अपनी एनर्जी तभी रेस कर पाते हैं व्हेन यू नो योरसेल्फ बेटर. सो दिस इज़ अनदर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ मिड ब्रेन एक्टिवेशन और थर्ड आई एक्टिवेशन प्रोग्राम जो कोई इंस्टीट्यूट बताता नहीं है या उनको खुद को इस बारे में नहीं पता है. तो आई रिकमेंड ईच एंड एवरी पेरेंट कि वो इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स में अपने बच्चों को एनरोल कराएं so that they live a happy life rather and a fulfilling life. Thank you.